Dustin,
Yes.
so what have we been complaining about all week?
Our printer that keeps putting blue speckles all over our papers, invoices, and everything that we print.
And we've cleaned it a gazillion times.
Yep.
So what did you do yesterday or the day before?
I bought a new printer.
So what did we decide we're going to do with this old printer?
We're gonna take it out the TNT way.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
It's kind of like a David Letterman thing, but that David Letterman's probably before your time.
Yeah.
I think we need to put... Ah, he's on the wrong side! Now let me take a picture with my... Oh, do you have your cell phone?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
That was fun.
I didn't think it was gonna work.
I thought it was. I figured I just need to give it some good gas, give it the goods, and it was definitely gonna work out.
The throttle.
Yeah.
The heavy or the skinny pedal.
Oh yeah.
Did you get a
think
picture
of my
of it?
lockers. I just put it in 4 low and just went for it. Yeah, me too. It was tougher than I thought. I thought it was...
Do it one more time.
One more?
3 and 4 on the auxiliary switches.
Bye. Was that more fun than going on the trails?
I don't know. I haven't gotten to go on the trails yet.
What?
Yeah. We went snow bashing once. That was fun. I don't know. That was quite a bit of fun, though. Smashing stuff's always a good time.
Right. Destroying printers.
Yeah.